You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this company, Canadian. If you want to learn more French brand names, stay tuned. Very interesting videos I have for you. Pronounced Alimentation, which means food, anything food. Couche-Tard means goes to bed late, somebody that stays up late. Alimentation Couche-Tard, the D is silent. Couche-Tard, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you can say Alimentation Couche-Tard. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.